Breaking inputs coming in that the government of India has taken note of the situation and may issue an advisory soon. We have Amit joining us on the broadcast. Amit, पूरी दुनिया भर में लोग इससे इम्पैक्ट हुए हैं. जानकारी मिल रही है कि सरकार की तरफ से कोई एडवाइजरी आने वाली है.
जी हाँ, जो सोर्सेज बता रहे हैं कि क्योंकि मामला जिस तरह से हर लोग कोई परेशान है, जो विंडोज पे काम कर रहा है उसकी जो स्क्रीन है वो ब्लू दिख रही है और वो काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और कई जो सर्विसेज है उसकी वजह से इफेक्टेड है. तो इसको लेकर जो जानकारी आ रही कि मैती जो कि मिनिस्ट्री है, नोडल मिनिस्ट्री है, उसकी तरफ से एडवाइजरी भी आ सकती है और वो इसको लेकर वो खुद भी इसको कंसर्न है कि इस इशू को कैसे सॉल्व किया जाए, क्योंकि सिर्फ कोई एक चीजों से जुड़ा हुआ नहीं है, बल्कि इस सॉफ्टवेयर की वजह से पूरे चीजों को कई ऐसे सर्विसेज जिसमें सीधा इन्वॉल्वमेंट है. तो ऐसे में सरकार की तरफ से एडवाइजरी जारी किया जा सकता है, मैटी की तरफ से. इसके अलावा इस मामले को लेकर जो इश्यूज है, कंसर्न इशू है, उसको भी जरूरत होगी तो सरकार जो मैटी है वो उठाएगी वहां पर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के साथ.
जी अमित, शुक्रिया आपका इस पूरी जानकारी के लिए. लेट्स इन फैक्ट गो बैक टू आवर रिपोर्टर्स टू नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग ऑन ग्राउंड एंड द काइंड ऑफ इम्पैक्ट दैट पीपल are facing. Arunil continues to be with us. We're also joined by Jayalakshmi joining us live from Trivandrum Airport. Jayalakshmi, take us through what's happening there. Have you been able to speak to the passengers? What are the kind of problems that the staff and the passengers both are facing?
Yes, basically the customers have been, the flyers have been informed that they are not able to check in, and in fact we are having a slight trouble in the airport. The flights have been delayed.
Okay, I believe Jayalakshmi is being stopped from reporting from the Trivandrum Airport. Let's go back to Arunil. Arunil, long queues you say are visibly reducing now. Better management at the airport?
Well, certainly yes, better management at the airport, rightly put by you. The reason for that is sometime back we were encountering or we were witnessing long queues outside the Mumbai International Airport. Now the queues have relatively reduced to a very large extent. Reduced to a very large extent. We also have shown these visuals from inside the Mumbai airport as well, wherein long queues can be seen, wherein web check-ins and baggage check-ins usually take place, and also a picture has been sent wherein how manually web check-ins have been done by several airlines. Airlines have confirmed the fact that their online services have been severely impacted because of the disruptions in the service provider, that is the Microsoft Cloud services. Manually they are giving they are making web check-ins, they are giving baggage check-ins also, they are doing manually inside. All the airline companies in fact have told their flyers, their passengers to come to the airport around an hour ago so that they don't face any inconvenience, as well as the process becomes more smooth for the authorities as well. With respect to the security outside the Mumbai International Airport, some time back it was a kind of a chaotic situation because of many passengers could be seen in a long queue. Now it has relatively improved. We also want to tell our viewers to come to the airport a little early than the scheduled time,